Hello friends, let us discuss few important questions from forensic medicine. First question is, in which of the following circumstances warning notice is issued to a registered medical practitioner? The correct answer is none of the above. Warning notice is the code of conduct for a doctors prescribed by medical council. It is issued to all doctors at the time of registration. Warning and warning notice are different. Warning is the disciplinary action taken by medical council against the doctor. In these cases, warning is given, not warning notice. Next question is, which of the following incision is most commonly used at autopsy? The correct answer is eye-shaped incision. Eye-shaped incision is the most commonly used incision. It is from symphysis menti to symphysis pubis. This Y-shaped incision is used in neck injury. In which of the following condition consent is required? The correct answer is for per vaginal examination. In emergency conditions like unconscious patients, mentally ill patients and intoxicated patients, and in children, according to IPC section 92, consent is not required. We can proceed further management. Next question is, for how many years hospital inpatient record have to be kept according to MCI? The correct answer is 3 years. According to Director General of Health Service, OPD record has to be kept for 5 years and IPD for 10 years. Next question is, which of the following can be used to visualize gunshot residue on skin or cloths? The correct answer is infrared rays. Which of the following is not the advantage of choking of gun? The correct answer is it increases the dispersion. This is not the advantage. Choking means constriction of the terminal barrel in shotguns. Next question is, in which of the following part beveling is seen in bullet injury to skull? The correct answer is inner table of wound of entry. This beveling or crater formation is seen in inner table of wound of entry or outer table of wound of exit. Next question is, which of the following is the most common organ involved in blast injury when person is completely submerged in water? The correct answer is eardrum. When head is out, intestine is the most common. When head is out. If person is standing outside in air, eardrum is the most common. Which of the following is not included in the Marshall's triad of bomb blast? The correct answer is incised wound. Marshall's triad includes abrasion, contusion and laceration. In this bomb blast, the powder can cause tattooing or peppering. Next question is, what is meant by cod hank? The correct answer is impotency to a particular female. This is psychological. If it is present since the time of marriage, it can be the ground for nullity of marriage. Next question is, which of the following is not the ground for divorce? The correct answer is sterility. The other three options are the grounds for divorce. Next question is, which of the following is the most common type of hymen? The correct answer is semilunar type of hymen. Semilunar is the most common. Annular is the second most common. Cribriform means there are multiple sieves. This fimbriated hymen may mimic torn hymen. Next question is, which of the following is the most important sign of defloration? The correct answer is dilated vaginal canal. Defloration means there is loss of virginity. Rupture of hymen is not the important sign of defloration. It is dilated vaginal canal is the important sign. Next question is, rupture of hymen is unlikely to occur in which of the following condition? The correct answer is riding, jumping and dancing. Next question is, which of the following IPC section is included for criminal abortion without consent? The correct answer is IPC 313. The IPC section for criminal abortion is from 312 to 316. IPC 312 means criminal abortion with consent. 313 is without consent. 314 means there is death of mother. Next question is, which of the following is the most common complication of criminal abortion? The correct answer is hemorrhage. This is the most common complication of criminal abortion. Most common complication causing death is sepsis. This is common complication causing death. Next question is, which of the following is the earliest radiological sign of intrauterine death? The correct answer is Roberts sign. It is seen as early as 12 hours. Roberts sign means there is gas shadow in the aorta. Spalding sign means there is overlapping of skull bones. Next question is, what is Electra complex? The correct answer is sexual relationship between father and daughter. If there is sexual relationship between mother and son, it is called as Oedipus complex. Oedipus complex. If it is between brother and sister, it is called as Pharaon complex. These are the types of incest. Incest means sexual relationship with close relatives. Next question is, which of the following is known as passive partner of lesbianism? The correct answer is femme. Butch and Dykes are the active partner. Next question is, which of the following is called as grievous hurt? The correct answer is permanent disfiguration of face. Grievous hurt is IPC section 320. This grievous hurt includes emasculation, permanent defect in vision or hearing, loss of any part of body, transaction of nerve root or muscle or tendon. There can be dislocation of bone or tooth, permanent disfiguration of head or face, or any hurt that endangers life, or any hurt that causes patient not able to do his normal daily activities for more than 20 days. Next question is, which of the following type of abrasion forms pattern abrasion? The correct answer is imprint abrasion. Imprint and pressure abrasion causes pattern abrasion. Next question is, which type of laceration is seen following a horizontal force to skin? The correct answer is avulsion laceration. This is also called as shearing force or deglowing laceration. Stretch laceration is caused by tangential force. Incised or split laceration is formed by perpendicular force. Next question is, in which part of body defense wounds are usually not seen? The correct answer is outer aspect of the forearm. During defense, inner aspect of forearm, palms are usually exposed and defense wounds are seen. Next question is, what is the cause of death in case of dry drowning? The correct answer is laryngeal spasm. In immersion syndrome or hydrocushion, the vagal inhibition is the cause. Next question is, which of the following is the most common traumatic hemorrhage in cerebral injury? The correct answer is subarachnoid hemorrhage. Extradural hemorrhage due to rupture of middle meningeal artery, posterior branch of middle meningeal artery. This subdural hemorrhage is due to rupture of bridging veins. Friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more MCQ series and short videos. Thank you.